In today's video, we are going to insert a lot of pictures in a new presentation of PowerPoint, just with a few clicks and a program that I've made. The link is in the description, so stick until the end. The requirements are a code editor like Visual Studio Code, for example, Python installed on your machine, and the program that I'm letting you in the description on installing your machine also. If you want to know how to install it, here's a video where I show you step by step how to do it with the different methods and the steps that you need to follow to do it correctly. So let's check until the end. For this example, I'm going to use some photos from excel.com. Excel.com is a stock website where you can find some free stock photos for your project. For example, here I'm going to use 5 photos. 2 portrait, 1 square and 2 vertical, just to see the behavior of each one in the program. Now remember, the first part of the program, that is the setup, that includes download, install requirement, and execute, is in the video that I linked you in the chapter before. What you haven't done that, you will see a one file.x, maybe with dependencies, or maybe you are running directly in the file directory. However, I'm going to run the one file.x. Remember, the behavior of each option is the same, and it will give me this menu. I have 3 options: picture with border in the center of the slide, picture in panoramic slide, and picture covering panoramic slide. We will see how these 3 options work. The first one, I want to select this, and it's asking me if I want to include a file's name in the slide. I'm going to put yes to see how it includes the name. And now I'm seeing here a new presentation. This presentation includes the photo in the middle with a height of 17.43 centimeters each one. It doesn't matter if it's a square, portrait, or vertical. And the name of the photo, because I choose to put a name. Remember that the program asked me before. Each photo has a border here. And it doesn't matter the relation, if it's portrait or vertical, the height is fixed. Okay, it's time to see the second option. The second option is picture in panoramic slide. I want to select this one. I want to include a name, yes. And now here's presentation picture in panoramic slides, in the same folder as the photos. Now see again, the name is here at the left top corner, and the photos are covering as far as they can. If the relation is not the same as the slides, they will cover the maximum height or the maximum width. It depends on the relation. In this case, all the relations just cover the maximum height, and you can see here part of the slide that is not covering. It's not recording any, it's not cropping any part of the photo. That is a characteristic of the second option. Okay, and now the third and last option. Picture covering panoramic slide. I want to include the names, yes. And I see here picture covering panoramic slides. I see here the name again because I selected it. And now you see that all the pictures are covering the panoramic slides. It doesn't matter if they are vertical, portrait, or square, they are covering the maximum that they can. And you see now the panoramic slide it's just this part. I'm going to crop this one that is vertical. You see this part and this part. You won't see this in the presentation. You only see this part that is inside the slide. But I'm going to crop this. And you see, it's locating each photo and covering the slides. It doesn't matter the relation of the photo. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the program, you can give me a like in the video here in the description or subscribe it. And if you really feel this program helpfully, you can give me a like on my GitHub repository. The link is in the description. And see you next time.